Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create like this nature-inspired animation in the After Effects. So make sure watch till the end. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, create any composition and name it leaf. And keep the setting same 1080 by 9020 and duration 50 seconds and hit OK. And select a pen tool, draw a rectangle shape like this. And I'm using this green color. You can copy the hex code and hit OK. And go to the effect and preset panel and search turbulence noise and apply onto it. And make this contrast value 157 and opacity 20% and blend mode multiply. Click on this evolution, hold Alt, click on it to add the expression and type time asterisk 200. Now select the layer again, right click, layer style and select this inner glow. Expand the inner glow and change the blend mode to multiply. Change the color of this dark gray and increase the size and increase the noise percentage. Let's make it 26%. After that, select this layer again and control it to duplicate and expand the layer and delete the layer style and also delete the turbulent noise and disable the fill and stroke, make it solid color and hit OK. And for the stroke, I'm going to use this color, green, light green, and hit OK. And select the pen tool, move this path like this and this path here. Split the screen and increase the stroke. Let's make it 7 pixel. OK. Now create a new composition. So click on it and name it main and make the width size 9020 and height 1080 and duration 50 seconds and hit OK. Select this leaf and drag and drop into the composition. Click on this icon and enable this proportional grid. Select the leaf pre-composition, press S, decrease the scale size of this and select this pan behind tool. Move this anchor point at the corner of this triangle. Move the anchor point center of the composition and press S, decrease the scale size of this. After that, go to the effect and preset panel and search wave wrap and apply onto it and change the wave height. So I'm gonna make it 59 and wave width, let's make it 275 and direction I'm going to make it 0 and pinning points, let's make it bottom edge. So it should animate like this. Okay. After that, let's apply the turbulent displacement. So go effect and preset panel and search turbulent displacement. Alright, so now select this layer again and control it to duplicate, press R, make the rotation value 90 degree and press S, increase the scale size of this and again control it to duplicate, press R. In this 90 degree, add plus 90 and I think let's decrease the scale size, so press S and decrease the scale size of this. Again control it to duplicate, press R, let's add the 90%, 90 degree more and again press S, increase the scale size of this. After that, go to the project panel and select this leaf and control it to duplicate. Double click on it. Select this first stroke color, control it to duplicate and make the stroke none. Fill color, make it light green and move it under this layer and select this layer outline and change the color of this and I'm gonna make this darker green and hit OK and select this pen tool and move this path here and this one move it here. Select this last rectangle and change the color of this, so I'm gonna make this green and go back again main composition and control it to duplicate of this and press R, rotate it like this here and press S, increase the scale size. After that, select this leaf 2 and hold Alt and drag and drop onto this leaf 1 to replace it and change the color of this, so I'm gonna make it yellow. Control it to duplicate, press R, rotate it like this. Again control it to duplicate, rotate it again and again control it to duplicate, rotate. After that, right click, new, add the adjustment layer and go to the effect and preset panel and search vignette and apply onto the adjustment layer and make the vignette amount 145. Angle of view, let's make it 55. After that, double click on the rectangle to add the background. Move it under all of these layers, and I'm gonna disable this stroke and change the color of this. So let's make it darker green. Click on this icon and disable the proportional grid. Select the pen tool and draw a line and make the fill none, and stroke color, let's use this color and hit OK. And stroke width, let's make it 2 pixels, and click on this icon add and add the twist and expand the twist. Increase the angle like this. It will create like this spiral effect, and let's rename it and name it spiral, and press R, hold R, click on it to add the expression and type time asterisk 50. After that, go again effect and preset panel and search turbulent displacement and drag and drop onto the spiral and move this layer under the all of these leaves. I am using this AI video created in 1.2.2 and applying key light to remove the background. If you want copy these settings, then you can use it. Alright, our animation is done, and I hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Also, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.